prices will drop, I will wait, now it's the highest possible price, that's not a great time to buy. If you are hearing this a lot from your potential buyers, this training might be interesting for you. In the next 9 minutes, I will break down the tangible, actual reasons for the prices even to move anywhere. So you not only going to have an understanding for yourself, will be able to educate your clients, but will also know which indicators to look for just to understand how the future trend will look like. And by the way, my name is Olga Sinenko, and I'm real estate sales trainer. I've been selling real estate in Dubai for 9 years myself. And now I'm kind of squeezing in my skills, experience, and knowledge in these videos so you can sell more confidently, freely, and you will feel more certain, which affects your confidence. Come on, everything. Okay, just enjoy next episode. So, key statistic we discuss about the population growth. It's very easy and simple. Over the last 5 years, the population grew more than 5%. By 2040, expected population will increase from 3.6, which is currently, to 5.8. I think it's easy numbers to remember. Is it? Easy. So, Dubai Master Plan, enhancement of all of the infrastructure, bringing the new master developments, bringing new metro lines, of course, building new malls, schools, and, for example, the railway between Dubai and Abu Dhabi is a massive as well in connectivity. Government reforms and regulations. We know what heats up as well the influx of investors, the influx of interest towards Dubai real estate. Visa policy, residency policy. Over the past, let's say, 4 years, it's been a massive change when we now have a golden visa, which was previously available only to those who are on some sort of higher position in bringing some value to the country. Art, medicine, engineering, all of this top people. Now, you invest 2 million, even if it's on off plan, you can get it. Which is not a case in any other GCC country. Do you know what is minimum investment in Saudi Arabia? There are certain projects which are available for foreign investors. 4 million, it's a starting point. It's the same. It's the same. We have in Qatar and in Saudi Arabia, it's almost the same. I mean, it's just going to be 0.98 and then 0.99 and just. And what I see is a key price growth driver for the next years to come in Dubai is availability of finance. Lower financial requirements, which we already have seen, right? 20% compared to 25%, which was the case in, for example, 2018, 2019. Yeah, you remember these times. If you don't remember, we were starting from 25% of your own funds for the first mortgage. That means that the graph, you will have this both reports, by the way, that I'm taking this information from Property Monitor, which you can as well use. So that means compared to quarter 2, 2019, this is how many transactions with mortgage we have. Of course, the quantity of transaction increased, but the quantity of transaction in mortgage increased as well. Which brings us to the next driver for all of the, the property investor is just the first link, someone who is buying the property from the developer. He is trying to sell it to someone who potentially will get a mortgage. So the more people will be able to get a mortgage, means the client, what it will do to the price of your property whenever you will try to sell it. 90% of the Dubai population are expats. and they're participating in real estate market anyway, whatever they're renting or they're owning, right? Because the 10%, let's imagine they do participate, the local people, they buy and sell real estate as well, but let's imagine they already have a more set up point of, they already have a property, they don't have to immediately purchase it or rent it whenever they move into the country, right? The increase specifically of mortgage transaction in May compared to the previous May, which was almost 30%, potentially may indicate the beginning of the trend. Look where I'm thinking, how I'm thinking, yeah? So the interest rates, they stayed almost unchanged for a year because the recent increase of the interest rates by US Federal Reserve was in June 2023. So I am sitting here as someone who is about to purchase the property, right? Let's put ourselves into the client's shoes. I understand that the next rent, which is coming in, keep increasing, and it's been for 3 years already. It's keep increasing and increasing and increasing. Maybe I have a vacating letter, my apartment being sold. Many of us had to move because of a vacating letter, including me, right? And now I understand that I've been renting a big one bedroom for 63,000, and now I'm renting the 2 bedroom for 115. It's a big increase, right? Yeah, it's 1 bedroom, it's a 2 bedroom, but the size of my 2 units, I had a 2nd bedroom in my 1 bedroom as well, which was my office. So my thought process as a client start to move. It's been a year. It seems like things are stabilizing, right? Seems like there's not going to be any more increases in the interest rate. The danger of me paying more for my rent is increasing way more than the interest rates. Anyway, so my thought process, okay, should I look into collecting this money? And potentially I've been collecting them for some time already, yeah? I'm gonna put 10,000 this month. I have a foundation for me to purchase 1 bedroom apartment instead of, let's say, 2 bedroom that I'm renting now. But that will be my property. And we having a lot of people thinking that way now, which indicates an increasing of mortgage transaction in May. Make sense, guys? Will you be able to deliver it to the clients at some point? But the most important that you understand what is the root cause. Why is this happening? So if you know why, and the person that someone, whatever, client, buyer, seller, going to tell, oh no, but the people going to stop buying with mortgage. Instead of getting manipulated and saying, oh no, but they will still buy. You know why the people are buying their mortgage, right? You know the foundation, the reasons why. It was like, yeah, well, why would they stop? The mortgages are getting more affordable. The Federal Reserve is not increasing the interest rate for a year. It seems like they're even going to be decreasing. The rents are going up. This only indicates that the more people are going to actually take a mortgage and step into owning the property rather than pay someone else rent. Cash transactions are still dominating the market, which is good, guys, as well, because ability of people to purchase with cash indicates a strong economy and indicates that whatever happened, some instability, let's say company collapse, they're not going to be paying salaries, so the people are not going to be able to pay off the mortgages. The percentage of such people who lost an opportunity to pay off the mortgage going to be low. It's not going to affect the market that much, right? Because we remember what happened in 2008 in US. People were not able to pay off the mortgages, right? So the massive amount of property get back to the market, the prices dropped. This is not going to happen. What that means, that one of the evidence that might not be the decrease in the prices, because why would they decrease? On the opposite side, more people have an ability to purchase because of the mortgages that they can now take. Okay, so let's recap what I just told you. First of all, the real driver of the prices, will it go up or down, is the supply and demand. Now we have to understand what is driving the demand. And of course, that means that the quantity of buyers increasing, there should be a reason for that. What I invite you to look at in this specific video, and again, this is just my point of view, my experience, my way of looking at things, a little bit digested, so you can easily put it in your own words and then into the ears of your clients. So number one is a mortgage availability. Now those who've been sitting on the fence, being a tenant for a while, are really looking at the numbers and they understand. It's easier for me to buy now. So they're adding themselves to the army of buyers, which of course gonna mean more buyers. The prices will go up or down. Haha, almost got you. Next one is residency visa policies. Over the past 7 years, the trend is towards the easy up the financial requirements, the legal requirements towards someone who will get a 10-year residency visa. Having this in mind, we do not expect that that will change in the future, meaning maybe in 1 year or in 2 years, now you will only need 1 million to get a 10 years visa. Possible, potentially. So what that's going to mean? It's going to mean more people are going to be actually able. There are a lot of people interested, but they're not able. That means that more people are going to be able to get the residency with the property. Strong cash buyers market. That not only indicates the healthy kind of balance of the mortgage and cash, it indicates as well that those who are selling real estate are actually purchasing it again, right? They're reinvesting money in the same exact market. But now, if you sold your property, you're now probably going to buy 2 instead, yeah? Or you will buy a bigger property. So having all of this in mind, if you still have some questions that are unanswered or some, like objection from the client that you are not able to overcome, you can comment down below in the comment section what exactly are you struggling with, and I might take this as a topic for my new video.